Recently, I saw a video of a guy who is a memory champion and he can memorize anything in this world with relative ease. And he teaches us how to do that. Basically, it's a technique named Major System. It's a mnemonic technique which helps to memorize numbers. And it works by converting numbers into letters and then letters into words. So the basic principle behind it is images and words can be remembered very much easily when compared to numbers. And to be frank, I suck at remembering things, and I hope this kind of muddles through my brain and help me to come over it. And as the title says, in this video I'm going to be trying to learn and memorize first 100 digits of pi. And now let's jump into the practice. So these are the sounds or letters for each 10 digits, that is 0SZ, 1TD, 2N, 3M and so on. And these are the consonants which will convert numbers into words. Let me illustrate it to you guys. For example, take 402 as the number, in which 4 stands for R, 0 stands for Z and 2 stands for N. And it could be Ryzen. And to get back the numbers from a word, we have to do the whole same process in backwards. Consider tunnel as the example. In tunnel, T stands for 1, N stands for 2 and L stands for 5. So the number is 125. What I'm saying might sound difficult for you guys at the first glance, but it's not that difficult. And moreover, there are only 10 digits, man. Only 10. 0SZ, 1TD, 2N, 3. So I started with memorizing and getting familiar with the letters and sounds for each of the digits. 3M, 4R, 5L, 6 L, 6 7 kg, 8 VF, 9 PP. And 3M, 4R, 5L, 6 7 kg, 8 V. And in just 15 minutes, I became thorough with this. 0SZ, 1TD, 2N, 3M, 4R, 5L, 6 7 kg, 8 VF, 9 PB. Then I wrote down all first 100 digits of pi, and after that I started converting them into letters and eventually into words. So these are the first 100 digits of pi, and now let's start converting them into letters and words. So the first 4 numbers are 3141, which is M T R T. This can be my transparent. My torrents, my torrents. 8979 F B K B Fab. Oh, can be Fab K9 or Fabulous K9. No, it's 26433 N J R M M. Not juristical. It's a bit complicated, man. Nut jar of moms. No. M&M's. Wow. Nut jar having M&M's. Wow. So these 50 odd words are the converted form of the first 100 digits of pi. And to learn all those numbers, we have to get thorough with these words first. So first, let's memorize the words. My torrents looping channel made me a fabulous K9. My torrents looping channel made me a fabulous K9. So my torrents looping channel made me a fabulous K9, which used to mainly move rash with nut jar having M&Ms. My farming plans and fast food rules with big tech put my PP in mug. And fast food rules with big tech put my PP in mug with light of 5 fast and 0 bulk in jars, changing and flourishing 0 from public for chanting novels more. farming plants and fast food rules. Put my PP in mug with light of 5. Oh. From now, labellum run with TNT of few kgs. Charging. This absolutely makes no sense, man. My Torrents looping channel made me a fabulous canine which used to mainly move rash with nut jar having M&Ms. My farming plants and fast food rules with PicTech put my PP in mug with lights of 5, fast and zero bulk rubber or label. Numbers go varied in jars, changing and flourishing 0 from public for chanting novels more. From now, labellum run with TNT of few kgs charging. So now I'm gonna write down all the letters and try to extract the numbers which are nothing but first 100 digits of pi. Orange. Charging. So guys, now I'm gonna spell out the numbers and cross check over here and let me see if I've got it right or wrong. 3 1 4 1 5 9 2 6 5 3 5 9 9 8 6. Wait a minute. I'm gonna do it one more time. Where is it? Oh my god, somewhere I lost, man. Until here it was done. 8620 899 86085. What? Oh, I've added one more number. Oh, there is one mistake currently. 034. Okay. 825342117067. Just one number, guys. I've added just one number. That is almost around 85 or 86th number. Other than that, everything is right. Just one number I've added. So the whole thing is wrong now. And I have to do it one more time. 1 1 7 7 0 6 7. So this is for the second time. I'm gonna cross check it again. 3.141592653358979323846264333 8327950399375105 820974944459 2307 8164 062 8620 899 86 28034 82 53 42 11 7067. Wow. Oh my god. This was so much. But actually it really worked and it has improved the productivity a lot, man. Wow. This was pretty amazing. Actually, to be frank, before starting the video I was like, it's not gonna happen, it's not that easy. But after finishing that, now I'm like, it's pretty easy, man. Yes guys, it is easy and it works really quick. With that said, if you have enjoyed the video, make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe button. We'll see you in the next video.